Od bura mamalo opuodho tero obila 1,000 mondo odhi oriwre kod obila mag pinje mamoko mar konyo rakruok kod jonjore marocho arita mar piny Haiti. E twak manokelo liet e od bura, jatend kweth manok e od bura Opiyo Wandai notemo chungo twagno e wi lipot ma kanyakla mar Senate kod tend committees mag od bura, kowacho ni wachno ni e nyim doho kendo ok nyal twak e wiye. Kata kamano dwaro mare ne ok ochopo kare tok spika ng'ado ni doho nochungo mana tero obila go Haiti to ok tamo od bura twak e wi wachno.
It may not be easy for you to determine who is the majority and who is the minority. But it is clear that in the course of this very short debate, it is the majority who have had the greatest contribution in the following manner. The Honorable Yusuf came to the minority side and is clearly of the majority side. The Honorable Korere came to the minority side. Is clearly of the majority side. The guidance I want is this.
I will give you the guidance.
Yes. Where it is clear that the minority is denied both their say and clearly their way, is that in line with the parliamentary standing orders?
Honorable Otiende, the mere fact that somebody is from the minority side doesn't mean that they are required to always object or not support the report. If the members of the minority side decided to support the majority side, that is within the prerogative of individual members. Honorable members, I now put the question, will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.